Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Baby Yoda on your shoulders on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, and you'll only need 3 items. I don't really want to make the face, but you can if you'd like to. I've attempted so many times, but I could only get the body. So I just used this hat from VIP, and then I colored the first color this brown, and then I just left the rest of that. And then for the body, I used the screen 69350. For the accessory adjustment, I did X at 0.2, Y at 0.4, and Z at 0.53. For the rotation, I did X at 0.25, Y 0.36, and I left the Z. For the scale, I scaled it down all the way to 0.02. And for the ears, I used the goat ears outside of VIP in the new pedal update area. For the position, I did X at 0.15, Y at 0.45, and Z at 0.57. Rotation, I did X at 1, Y at 0.23, and scale, I did 0.13. And that is how you can create Baby Yoda on your shoulders on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.